Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. As with any repair, be sure to turn off the power to your dishwasher before beginning. To replace the door latch, your first step is to open the dishwasher door and remove the screws securing the outer door panel. With the screws removed, pull the outer door panel off. Next, remove the screws to release the control panel. Pull the old door latch out from the top to release it. Disconnect the wires from the old latch. You can use pliers to make this easier. Install the new door latch by connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Now align the latch with the control panel and snap it into place. Reposition the control panel and secure it with the screws. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning the slots in the panel with the tabs on the bottom of the control panel. Secure the screws. You're now ready to restore power to the dishwasher and confirm that the latch works properly.